Django is a high-level Python web framework known for its batteries-included approach, offering a comprehensive set of tools and features to streamline web application development. Flask is a lightweight and flexible Python microframework used for web development, known for its simplicity and minimalism, allowing developers to customize and structure their web applications as needed. Django is a high-level, full-stack web framework with many built-in features, while Flask is a microframework that offers more flexibility and minimalism. Django enforces a specific project structure and follows a batteries-included approach, while Flask allows developers to structure their project and choose components more freely. Django has a steeper learning curve due to its extensive feature set, while Flask is known for its simplicity and ease of learning. Django has a larger community and ecosystem of reusable apps, while Flask is popular for its lightweight and customizable nature. Django is often used for building complex web applications and content management systems, while Flask is favored for smaller projects, APIs, and prototyping. Django is opinionated about how things should be done, whereas Flask offers more control and lets developers make their own decisions.